Hey folks, here's a quick little story of a Genesis 2017 G90 Genesis. I had taken this car for a ride, and when you drive it as it's shifting up the gears, it it felt like I was riding over cobblestones. It has like a little stutter as I was going up. Once you get to a certain speed, I think it's 40, 45, it's smooth out. You didn't really feel anything. But once you come down to speed, start off at a stoplight again or at a stop, it felt like it was shuddering. You know what I mean? It's like made that cobblestone, like you're going over a bunch of bumps before it finally smoothened out. So I did a little research, and it seems that the Genesis G90 has a computer problem that you can probably program it or something with the transmission. But either way, didn't know much about the car. I sent the customer to Genesis to go take a look at it and see what they say. And I'm going to show you what the outcome is. All right. So over here, you can see it. Customer states the vehicle skips from second, third, and third to fourth gears. Not at cold start after driving for a few. Was told maybe it could be a solenoid issues. Check a report. So basically, that's what you read online. It could be a solenoid issue. It could be something that could be reprogrammed, or it could be another problem. So the guy took it for a ride, and this is what the mechanic said. Car is bucking between first, second, and third gears on an incline when accelerating. Recommends replace the transfer case. Okay. So this is the price. It says again, tech confirmed on the test drive when switching gears between first, second, and third gears are bucking on incline when accelerating. Replace the transfer case. This is the part number for the transfer case. Look at the price. Okay, about $3,200. Probably another $1,000 for labor. So you're talking about a little less than $5,000 for a transfer case, right? Remember, this is all-wheel drive. So on a normal car, you would have the engine sitting this way with a transmission going to the rear end, turning the two wheels. So this is all-wheel drive. So that means the front wheels turn. So now you got an engine, a transmission, then you got a transfer case. Okay, so one drive shaft goes to the back wheels. The transfer case goes and has another drive shaft to turn the front wheels. So the transfer case is the piece right here. Transfer case, usually you hear about that by name. It's usually found in a four-wheel drive car. So I guess in an all-wheel drive car, it's called the same thing. All right. So yeah, it's the piece in the back after the transmission that transfers the power that normally goes to the back wheels, will go to the front wheels, and that's what was given the shake. At least that's what they said. Customer went, had the transfer case done, and the problem is now solved. Okay, if you're the original owner of the Genesis, you might be able to get something out of it. You know, maybe they'll do like a goodwill for you and you pay a little less for it. If you're not the original owner, you bought it used, yeah, I think you're out of luck. All right, but that is the part. That is the part number 4 transfer case, 47300-4E201. So if you're interested in changing it, that's what you got to do. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. It is a Genesis. So it's a high-class Hyundai, right? Okay. That's all I can say. Ciao. Thanks for watching.